In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in an image using Canva. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account to access your projects. If you're not logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials to ensure a smooth workflow. Once you're on Canva's homepage, look towards the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the Projects section. Click on it to browse through your existing designs. Open the design that contains the image you want to edit. If you haven't started a design yet, you can upload your image and create a new project from scratch. If you're using a free Canva account, you might not have access to certain advanced tools, but don't worry, you can still effectively edit text using a manual workaround. The first step in this method involves covering up the existing text. Navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar, type in square shape and press enter. You will see an option to see all shapes. Click on that and select the square shape. The next crucial step is to change the color of the square to blend perfectly with the background behind the text you wish to remove. Click on the color icon, which appears as a colored circle at the top of the screen. On the left sidebar, you'll see a variety of color options. Select the color that matches the background of your image. This might require some trial and error, so don't be afraid to experiment until you achieve the perfect match. Once you've got the color sorted, proceed by resizing the square. Drag the corners of the shape so that it fully covers the old text. Make sure it's appropriately positioned to cover the text without interfering with other elements of the image. With the old text now hidden, it's time to add your new text. Head over to the left sidebar again and click on Text. From the options, click on Add a Heading. Type in the new text you want to incorporate into your image. Carefully move it into the spot where the old text used to be, placing it directly over the colored shape. To ensure that the new text looks like an original part of the image, try to identify a font and color that closely resemble the original text. This helps in making the replacement as seamless as possible. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced old text with new text on your image in Canva. Take a moment to admire your work and make any final adjustments if necessary. Don't forget to save your project once you're satisfied with the changes. Thank you for tuning in and happy designing.